Hey guys, today I'm excited to show you how to create an awesome social media dashboard using Canva. In this video, you'll learn how to find and choose templates, import data from Excel, CSV, or Google Sheets, design a creative dashboard, and more. First, let's start by typing Analytic Dashboard in the Canva search bar. You'll find a wide variety of templates to choose from. For our dashboard, I'm going to pick a simple and concise design. Once I click on Choose Template, I'll go in and manually modify each section to reflect the specific data I want to showcase. Now let's pull up our analytics. Fun fact, in the Analytics and Tools section in LinkedIn, you can access a wealth of information regarding your analytics. You can choose the time frame, compare engagement versus impressions, analyze top performing posts, and even explore demographics based on locations and job titles. Now that I've selected the desired date range, I'll click the Export button. And LinkedIn will automatically generate an Excel document with all this data. And guess what? Canva lets you import data from CSV files, Google Sheets, or even clear out existing data and input it in manually. Next, I'll create a section of graphs to showcase my engagements, my impressions, my demographics, and top performing posts. Now I'll duplicate this page to create slides instead of cramming everything into one dashboard. This way, it's more visually appealing and easier to navigate. Oh, and did I mention you can also upload pictures in Canva? It adds a beautifully nice touch. In this slide, I've included a picture of my top performing post. And breakdown of my audience demographics based on job titles. Canva offers a variety of graph options to beautifully represent your findings. So if you want to click on that, just take a look at what I just did. After spending some time fine-tuning these pages, it's crucial to make sure everything looks good. That means changing fonts, adjusting sizes, and adding all those fancy details that make your dashboard visually stunning. absolute favorite part, creating animations. Canva has an extensive collection of pre-designed animations, and you can also create your own. For the sake of time, I'll choose a few animations and set a time duration for each slide. And there you have it, a social media dashboard created in Canva in under 10 minutes. A couple of cool tips to know: make sure your themes match throughout. Keep it simple and easy to read. And most importantly, have fun while you're designing. Create a design that reflects you. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content that are coming out soon. Until next time, super chill vibes.